हमने अभी तक वालिदा को भाई के मरने का नहीं बताया। श्रीलंकन मैनेजर के भाई की गुफ्तगू। कमाला कुमारा का कहना है कि छोटा भाई हर हफ्ते वालिदा को फोन करता था। हम सोच रहे हैं वालिदा को मौत का कैसे बताएं।
Professional because he is the engineer. He is qualified in Sri Lankan University. Is very calm and cool man. We have 6 members in family. He is my youngest one in my family. He has small 2 children, no 2 boys, and his wife also unemployed. After every that by week he is talking to my mother. How we are going to that explain to mother. We are getting good news from our government that Mr. Imran Khan, he is very strict and getting that he is going to take serious action. That we are also expecting same thing. The Prime Minister Imran Khan will do something for this incident. And future we are expecting this should be avoided. No, if not that again there are many Sri Lankan working. That any other foreigners also working. I believe that Pakistan will take serious action. They have to take action and they have to punish them. It will not repeat it again to any other Sri Lankan. We are expecting Pakistan government will do something for this family. We are expecting that body will be reached on Monday after post-mortem of government post-mortem. Maybe Tuesday we will receive it. We are thinking still Pakistan is good. There are so many Sri Lankan